What's up everyone, this is the vermilletechsandgadgets, and today I'm gonna show to you another video of my review. So I bought this tech stuff for my own money. This is a paid promotion, and also I buy this for my own good so that I can have something to review in my channel. So before I start my review, don't forget, if you're new to my channel, just subscribe to my channel, and also you can click that notification bell for my upcoming new videos. So let's start. This is the this is the USB cables that I buy. This is the cables that I buy. So let's start this one. This is you can connect it to you can connect it and to another laptop. So this is nice because you can put this cable, you can put this into your laptop. So let's try. This one over here, we're gonna connect it to here. This one, so let's connect. So we can connect it in here in this laptop. Connect this one into this laptop also, like this one. So you can see this, guys. Here it is, guys. So this is the cable that I use. So put it in there, and then goes in here in this one, and then goes over to the another laptop over here, guys. So look at it, guys. So that is the connection between the two laptops. So I can manage to transfer any data, music, videos to into laptops, guys. So I cannot show to you how to transfer. So this is only the review. So hopefully I can have some new videos to hopefully I can have the part 2 of this review, so that you can see how to connect how to connect two laptops in these two cables and to transfer files. So as you can see, that was the connection between the two. So that was the connection between the two, guys. So this is, guys. So I don't know what is this, but I think you can anywhere. I like this one, so that so that I can manage to transfer any files between this cable over here, and then start sharing. So start sharing files between these cables over here. And so next I buy again, and also I buy another Octopus Cord. So this one, guys. So I think this new, this the lightning micro USB, mini USB A, and also Type C. Is this Type C? Look at it, guys. Is this the Type C? Okay, so I can charge it. So let's try. So oh, I just charge my power bank. So that's it, guys. So that was the review of this USB cables, and hopefully someday I will show to you how to how to transfer files between those two cables. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Please subscribe to my channel and also click the notification bell.